When learning how to tie knots, there are 5 basic terms we want to know. The first one is working part. And the working part of a rope or cord is any part that we are actually tying a knot. So where I'm tying this figure 8 and a bight right now would be considered the working part of the line. Everything past this, going this direction, would be considered the standing part. So we've got working part where the knot is, everything else is the standing part. A third knot term that we want to know is something called a bight. It looks like the letter N or the letter U. Let's see if I can get my U there. There's my U. And we use bights for lots of knots. Go back to my figure 8 on a bight here again. Bight is a very common knot term that we use. The fourth knot term that I think we all should know is what's called an overhand loop. And an overhand loop is when we want to make a knot, let's say on this end here, and I need to loop. I keep my working end on top. My working end is on top of my standing end. That's how we make an overhand loop. If we want to make an underhand loop, which is our 5th term, we're going to take the standing end and actually go on top of the working end. So those are the 5 knot terms that I think we all should know. Again, we got working part, standing part, bight, overhand loop, and underhand loop. Hope you learned something new today.